Friends, how are you? I hope all are good, right? Today, most important session, guys. Most of them, my subscriber asking me, sir, make a video, one session regarding this how currency notes prints in India and what basis currency notes prints in India. So everyone are having one doubt, guys. We have currency notes printing machine, right? So why we are not printing more than our required? One thing, another one thing. Why India borrowing money from other countries? We have machine, right? We are able to print more than our required. Why we are borrowing money from other countries? Another, why India still developing country, not developed country? Okay. Before I discuss this topic, guys, we will go in history. Okay. In previously, there is no currency system, guys. Only barter system is there. What is the meaning of barter system? Exchange of products. If I have milk, I exchange with bread. If I have wheat means I exchange with paddy. Okay. If I have tomato means I exchange with some other thing. Okay. This system is there, guys. That time there is no currency system. Okay. So after that, these products are not saving a long time, right? Milk and tomato and wheat and rice. So that time one king is there, Muhammad king. That time what he did means he started printing coins, guys, silver coins and gold coins and copper coins. He started to printing. Then after some years, what happened? The shortage of silver is happened in India. So after that, in British rule, what happened? They started to printing the currency system. So in India, the currency system is started in 1956. Okay, 1956, the Indian currency system is started. So this is the history, guys. So actually, why our Indian government are not printing more than currency means? Actually, one thing I will explain, guys. You know our GDP, right? GDP means gross domestic product. This is very important. Means in India, how much products is available for survival? Okay, for this GDP, that how much GDP is there, that much amount only RBI print the currency notes, guys. For example, I will explain one example. Okay, everyone dream to buy one Apple phone, right? Suppose one Apple phone is 50,000 rupees, for example. Okay, you have 50,000, I have 50,000, and another person has a 50,000. Then, but product only one product is there. So what happened in that situation? The product value increase means price increase. So for example, it increase 1 lakh means, but I have 50,000. Another person also 50,000. So 3% not able to buy Apple phone, right? So what happened in this condition? Supply and demand increase. Okay, if supply is increase means demand also increase, right? So that system, then it leads to inflation. That is the thing. Okay, if inflation increase means that is why now RBI every bi-monthly monitor the policy rates. Like the CRR, cash reserve ratio, and SLR, statutory liquid ratio, and repo rate and reverse repo rate. Every bi-monthly the RBI going to change this rates by controlling the inflation. Okay, and guys, I can explain one thing, guys. How currency notes printing in India means minimum reserves, guys. Minimum reserves system the RBI followed. What is the minimum reserves? Actually, whenever RBI going to print currency notes means 200 crores. The minimum reserves. Okay, in 200 crores in the form of 115 crores in the form of gold. Okay, and 85 crores, remaining 85 crores in the form of foreign currency. Why 115 and 115 crores in the form of gold and 85 crores in foreign exchange? Okay, in gold every country value is same, guys, because in currency means our Indian currency rupees different and foreign currency also different, right? So that's why gold is common value. That's why whenever we require, we will going to change with the foreign, right? Gold. That's why RBI reserved the minimum gold reserves. And also why RBI 85 crores in the form of foreign currency? Because compared to our Indian rupee, foreign value more, right? Whenever RBI required, they easily exchange that foreign currency. That is the thing, guys. So finally, conclusion is, if we starting printing currency notes means, if you buy one piece of bread, you have to pay 10,000 rupees, because rupee value going to decrease. There is no value for rupee value. I will explain one example, guys. In Zimbabwe, what happened now? In 2011, in year, Zimbabwe started printing currency notes. Like they using the machines and circulating money into their all peoples. One fine day, what happened now? One piece of bread, they invest $1,000, $2,000. So that's the scenario happened, guys. After that, the Zimbabwe government, what happened? They started legal tender to other currencies. So their Zimbabwe local currency is not valid for buying any products. They started legal tender, means other country currency only possible to buy products through decreasing the inflation. So this is a situation, guys. If currency notes printing means the Indian value, rupee value is decreasing and inflation happening. So and no one go to work, guys, because everyone having currency means who to work? No one no one work, right? Everyone eat and sleep in the home. There is a system, guys. That's why RBI every bi-monthly monitoring the policy rates. If you like this video, please subscribe and share and like it. And thank you and Jai Hind.